I'm starting at the top of the road so you get a feel for this area here. Now just here, if you're a dog lover, you can walk your dogs. This is the top of the road. We are going to have a look around a 2-bedroomed, 2-bathroomed property. It's a Rosa Style and it's 452 metre square plot. So this is the area to the front of the property. You've got a beautiful pool here. And it's absolutely stunning. Loads of area. We have pergolas along here. You have a pedestrian gate and you have your carport on the other end there. Lovely area to sit and lounge and just enjoy the sunshine. You have an electric awning to the front of the house and you have solar panels. So let me take you up and inside the property now. So guys, I've just come into the conservatory of this property. It's really very beautiful. Lovely tiled floors. Beautiful blinds. And of course you got the area out there to go and sit in afterwards. But sorry the squeak of my shoes. So you've got an outside area just there. I'm going to pan around and let you have a look here of the conservatory. So I'm just going into the main house and just on the door there is a dawn to dusk light. So let's go inside. So we've just come inside this Rosa style property. You have your feature fireplace, which is a log burner just over there. Plenty of shelves. The windows are double glazed and they have wreckers and blackout blinds on these windows. I just want to give you a close look at the window there. They're not the usual windows that you have in these villas. Really very nice. Just going to pan around for you guys. And just over here, you have got a radiator just under the window there. Okay. Now just in front, this is usually the dining area. So you normally put, say, a table and 6 chairs just here. And it will take that. You have insect screens and blackout blinds on the windows as well as the wreckers. And you have an archway here leading to the kitchen to hand over your food during the day if you've got a table and chairs there to the family. Okay, so just through here, this is the kitchen. Beautiful kitchen, beautiful marble splashback and worktops. And you have a small breakfast bar just here. You have an electric hob and electric oven. There is lights under the cupboards and you've got plenty of top and base units. You've also got a lovely sink with a faucet there. Very modern, as you can see. And you have your fridge freezer. So I'm going to take you in and around. We go through this archway and I'll show you the family bedrooms and the bathroom and the ensuite. So just here you have a radiator. And just in here you have a bedroom. It's a good sized double bedroom. You have your radiator there, blackout blinds and insect screens on the windows as well as wreckers. Again, double glazed windows. You've got your ceiling light and fan just above. This is oil central heating in here. And you have your double wardrobes with your overhead storage. The wardrobes have sliding doors on them. Okay. Now I'm just going to go straight over to the family bathroom. So just in here, you have a frosted glass window. you have a WC, and you have a shower cubicle. It isn't being used as a shower room at the moment, but everything there is in place. The only thing that there isn't is a sink, because they have a wash machine and tumble dryer in place there. Okay. Now, if I just pan around, you can see there is a towel rail and you have a radiator there as well. Okay, guys. So I'm just going to go into the master bedroom, where you have overhead storage and a double wardrobe here. Okay. This is just used as a guest room at the moment. It's not used as the main master bedroom, but you can see how large it is. It's got extra storage put in here and plenty of drawers and that. You got ceiling light and fan, and you have blackout blinds and wreckers and insect screens on the windows. Just down there you've got your plugs for your TV points, etc. And just the other end of the room you have got the door through to the ensuite of this bedroom. So just go in here now. And this is a lovely ensuite shower room. It has tiled from ceiling to floor. You got your radiator there. You got your WC, and you got your sink and pedestal. You also have single wardrobe with overhead storage for your towels. You have a clear screen, shower screen on the shower with the rain head shower. I'll just shut the window over there. You can see it's a good size double shower really. Okay. So I'm going to turn around, and as you can see just there you have your plug socket for your shaver, and you have a plug socket above the door for heater in the winter, but you don't need that here because you've already got your central heating built into this property. Okay, so I'm just going to take you out and I show you the other part of the garden that I didn't go through when I came in first. So this is a lovely area here just to sit and relax and have a glass of wine and read a book. You've also got your off-road parking there. And I'm going to take you in and around the back area. So let's go down this way first. You have got a couple of steps here first, and you have a water point, and you've got a nice lemon tree so you can have your ice and a slice. So let me walk you around. You have plenty of log storage there for your fire, and you have a water point there to water the tree if you wish. So there is an underbuilt just here. It's just for storage. But what I can tell you is they've had some serious money spent on this property, throughout the property, you know. It's a beautiful terrace, the double glazed windows throughout, central heating, the solar power, the electric awnings. The pool has been totally redone. Really beautiful Rosa this, you know. So I'm going to take you up the steps here. And to bring you back and just have a look at this lovely terrace that's up here, and get rid of my shadow out of the view of. It's a really lovely area to have as extra. You got your shower there, and you got your beautiful pool, your pergolas. You've got it all here really. Beautiful pool, as you can see. And you have steps down into it just there. You have a lovely dolphin motif in the pool. And this is the other end of the pool with those stunning views of the mountains beyond. Absolutely beautiful. So as you can see, there is a great space just to relax and lounge in. And this is the area just at the front of the house here, where you could sit and just enjoy a glass of wine, whatever you wanted. Really beautiful. I'm going to take you upstairs now, up to the rooftop solarium, and we'll have a look up there now. So see you at the top of the stairs, guys. I've just come up to the rooftop solarium now. You can see for miles all the way around, and you can see a beautiful pool down here. So you do have a small gate just here. This blank wall, you could always use it for projecting films on and sit here in the summer months and just watch films in the evening. Or you could put a hot tub down here if you wanted. Nice area, and this is very private up here if you wanted to do some private sunbathing. You've also got your storage there as well, and it's quite a large rooftop space. Some beautiful views surrounding. So I'm just going to take you back downstairs. As I walk back, I can see those fantastic views across there. I'm just going to home in on those views over there. Look at those mountain views, absolutely beautiful. You are 30 minutes from Murcia International Airport, which is Cavera Airport. 20 minutes drive to several beaches, and they're beautiful. You have no reason to leave Camposol urbanisation, as we have all the amenities here that you could possibly need, unless of course you want to go to the beach. So guys, what did you think of this property? This is absolutely stunning. It's key ready. It has had a lot of money spent on this property. Really nice. It's got these beautiful pergolas for the shade in the summer. You've got a lettering awning. You've got the pool, which has been totally redone. You've got the extension on the front. It's really exceptional property, this. So if you're interested, do contact info@tolet2sell2buy.com and check out the website tolet2sell2buy.com. Don't forget to share on your social media, because somebody out there would just love this property. So until the next time, see you guys again. Take care.